Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I'm actually surprised I haven't done this, and I've probably only done it one time before, but um, I get a monthly kit. I think Annie lives in Malaysia, but I get a monthly kit from Annie. She is Msgardengrove1. Miss Garden Grove Inspired Kit Group is on Facebook. This is her YouTube, and she has a store too. So I'll link her YouTube to my links down below so that you can find her. But I get a kit from her once a month. But I take the bag and everything and I take it straight to the lake. So I never show it off because I just take it, go to the lake, and that's what I craft with instead of taking everything and boxing up different stuff. Here I have a full kit in a small bag that I can travel with, and I'm happy to have it. So I really hardly ever show it off. So I was heading out today and I said, wait. let me videotape this. So this is the February kit. Let me slow down. And it's a couch jewelry box that she hand makes all this stuff with the mini album, and it's the kit. So there's all her information, and let's look and see. I did open the bag, but I have not gone through it all. So see, I don't know. I don't know if she made this or if she found this. Oh, this is going to be a noisy opening. It's really wrapped. I don't know if she made this one or found this and then sent it to us. But most of the time she makes it. So I've been buying her kits for over a year. And it's always wonderful, beautiful stuff. So look at that. Look at that. Got a little pillow. I don't think she made these this time. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So, okay, that's the beginning of the kit and all. So now let's look at everything else that comes with it. Okay. I don't know where to start. But she sells all this stuff. Last time I opened this, she had stick pins, and boy, did they get me. So I'm like, ugh. So let's look. Oh, look at this trim. She sells all this stuff in her store too. Look at that white trim, is beautiful. This is a mint color green. That's beautiful. And of course, I love the pink. And there's that. Let's see what else I get in this kit. Oh, look at that trim. It's a gray. It's a gray with it's layered, and it's gray with yellow in it. And I love that. Oh, I love this one, the pink with the white. It's very dainty. It's solid, but dainty. You know, if you bought this from her, you could cut these out and use them for the middle of flowers and all. It would go a long way. It would really go a long way. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, look at that. Look at the colors in that. Oh, is this not springtime? That's so pretty. And it all coordinates together. Oh, I love this. Ooh, can you imagine buying this from her and doing a baby album, a little girl baby album? Oh my Lord. That is so pretty. So each month I have a little bit of stuff from her store, plus stuff that she hand makes. I don't think she handmade this one, but normally, like, she did a Chester drawer album and she made the Chester drawers for us. So, oh, look at this. Look at that. Look at the spring colors in that. Wow. Look at all that. I have to think about where I want to put that in this project. Okay. Oh, we're still on the first bag. Ooh, look at that. Looks like a birthday in your hand, doesn't it? Looks like a birthday in your hand. All those colors. Wow. Okay. So that's the first bag. Let's get into the second bag. Let's see. She has a lot of people in her group, and she sends out about 140 kits a month. And she always makes 5 to 7 extra each month. So the first one that says I'll take it, it goes fast. It's gone. The extras that she makes uh, is gone probably within, I don't know, 20 minutes. So I tried that before and I didn't get the extras, and I'm like, I just need to be a permanent member, and I know I'm getting it every time. And I'll look at that. Is that not gorgeous? It's two-toned. Look at the layers in two-tone. That's gorgeous. I tried to buy so I became permanent, and I love it. And the one I really wanted, and I hope she redoes it one time, is she crochets, and she crocheted teacups, and she's done altered teacups and different kind of stuff. But oh, you know what? I should just order special order teacups from her. I want a teacup. Um, it was like on a tray. She crocheted the tray, the teacup, and the pot or something. Oh, it was cream and sugar. It's just to die for. And then that got my attention, and I've been with her ever since. Look at that. Look at the peach. That's really pretty. Okay. I keep thinking about all her other projects in my head, but let me just concentrate on this. Look at the flower. Isn't that pretty? That's really cute. And then the peach. Oh, that's cute. My son bought me this Fitbit, and it just told me, get up and walk. So, Kyle's like my personal trainer now. He calls me every day. Did you get on the treadmill? Did you walk? So, and sometimes I say yes, and sometimes I say, oh, I'm going to have to glue this right back on, hot glue this back on. It came unglued, or unsewed. It came unsewed. But with Kyle, look how pretty that is. He's like my personal trainer. And let me put that off to the side so I can fix it. Look how pretty these are. I've bought these before. I use them up really fast. But sometimes I say, oh, let me go do it, and then I have to take a picture of my treadmill readings. So anyway, sorry for the noise. And if I'm going too slow, guys, just speed me up. Oh, look at this flower. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And see, if you like anything, she sells this in her store. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. I mean, that is got a lot of dimension. But she sells a lot of this in her store. It's just not with the kits. Look at that. It's a peachy color more than a pink, I think. Yeah, this is peachy color. You see? That's really pretty. And so it's not just with the kits. Look at that. You know what? Just put this on a headband and you're good to go. You know, just glue that with the hair clip, and that could be just a hair clip right there. That's really pretty. Uh-oh. Look at this. Because see, we're making an album too, so look at that. Look at this with the heart. I have not seen that before. And then you can make it. I can't think now because I haven't seen this before, so I'm wanting to look at it for the first time with y'all. Make a dingle junk ring journal. What am I trying to say? Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. There you go. Oh, look at these. Look at those. Are they not the prettiest? And see how she coordinates everything? Oh, so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love those little ones. Let's get into the last one. I think this is the album that she already created some stuff for us. So she has little sayings for us. on really, really heavy cardstock. And she's already printed us pictures to go in the album, and all we have to do is cut around the circle or leave it like it is. Aren't these pretty? These are really pretty. Look at this one. Oh, so pretty. And even when she prints stuff, um, it's very good quality ink and everything. And that's so pretty. See the theme of it? It's all coordinating and matching. She really, really, really thinks of everything you need. That's why you haven't been seeing it. I take the whole kit, it's in the bag, and it heads straight to the lake. And I'm crafting and don't have to have anything but a glue gun or a pair of scissors, and I'm good to go out there. So I don't have to bring my whole room with me. So let's see how we're opening this. It has, that is really pretty. I love that ribbon with the sayings on it. That's pretty. Let's see, what is this? These are two, oh, these are heart shaped. These are heart shaped. Aren't they pretty? Those are nice. And this, oh, look at that. Wow. Is that not really nice? Wow. Wow. That piece of applique is gorgeous. Wow. Can y'all see it? Whew. That is so pretty. And then now here's the album where she's already, okay, so here's the front or the back. I'm not sure which way I had it. So she's already put a piece of peach applique and layered it. And then here is, I mean, it's got layers already. Cheesecloth and the feathering and then the beautiful applique, and then she's got it on cardstock and then paper. So see how much work she does? So then she has extra, even layered, it's heavy. Here's a page. Then here is another page for in the middle, this peachy eyelash trim on both sides. And all I need to do is punch one hole, put a junk ring, which I guess that's what the heart was for, is this would hold them all together. Put a hole here and this would hold it all together, and then all the danglies come off of this, and I don't have to use them all. I can take some of them off. And so there's the middle. So here is another page, and here is the back page. Wow, I can't wait. So can you guess what I'm going to be working on this weekend? I'll be making a heart album and my jewelry box. I'll be decorating that. I mean, right there, look at that. You could put that right here to decorate it. People are saying, why are you touching it? It's pretty enough not to decorate. You could put it up here, put it off to the side. That's just grabbing one piece. There's so much you can do with this. I mean, wow, she really, really puts great kits together. So hopefully you will go and check Annie out, check out her store, and look at all the good stuff she has, or become a kit club person with me. There's a lot of ladies, and I see the same ladies year after year. She's not going anywhere. She does beautiful work. Annie, by the way, hun, I saw, if you watch my video, I don't even know if she follows me. I got my kit for last month, and I got a beautiful, beautiful handmade birthday gift from her. She made a bag with goodies in it, and I love it, Annie. And I'm so sorry that I'm just now saying thank you so much for my birthday goodies on top of my kit and everything. And Annie, you always go beyond the call on your kits. You do wonderful. You're such a lovely person, hun, and it's been so great to get to know you and chit chat with you and everything. Thank you. Bye, everybody.